What's up guys? Welcome to another video. It's currently 2:40 AM dito. Kakatapos ko lang mag-edit ng video. Sa video to, ginamit ko yung bagong kit na free ni NEXXFRIDAY. Lilink ko down below. Nagpaalam na ako sa kanya even though sinabi ko sa video dito na I'ma still ask him. But tinanong ko siya, link is down below. Free na tawag dito, drum kit. So, you guys can use it. Quality yan, man. So, yeah. Ginamit ko siya. And then, gumawa ko ng isang beat. And then, may record pa ako ng isang kanta. Which, pag finalo nyo ako sa Instagram, nakita niya siguro. Comment din kayo if you want. Yo, ewan ko ano nangyari. But bumaba yung tangin ng views. But it's alright. We're gonna continue this shit anyways. But yeah, enjoy the video, bro.
Baby, baby, why'd you call me out my name? Oh, baby, why'd you call me out? I know you, but I mean that shit means some shit.
But you did it your way.
Yeah, definitely. We did a strategic part.
Alright, so dinownload ko yung free kit na ni NEXXFRIDAY. I don't really know what's in it, bro. Check ko ba ngayon? Okay. Oh yeah, yung kit na pala to, I don't know if makukuha niyo pa to kasi sabi niya i-delete niya in like a day. So I don't know if nakikita niyo pa. Pero I'ma ask him if pwede ko pang i-release pag meron gusto dito. Tatanong ko lang siya personally. Hindi ko kaya yung i-release without his permission. Alright, let's check it out. Ano nandito? Oh, so drum kit lang pala. Walang melodies. So let's just use Looperman again. Tapos gamitan na siguro natin yung drum kit niya for percussions. Alright, so ito yung dinaload ko kahapon na loop. Alright, let's get to work. Pag gusto nyo i-screen record ko to, just let me know. Kasi as of now, hindi ko pa kayang i-record to kasi hindi ko pa na-set up yung OBS dito. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it next video para sa inyo. Know what I mean? Alright, gagamitin na natin yung kit. I'm excited, bro. Di ko pa narinig yung mga kits niya. Badang pasamay. Yo, next. These kicks are fucking banging, bro. And check up yung iba. Yo, this kicks are hard, bro. Yung hi-hats din. Bawal sa di marunong gumamit ng manipis. Bro, I got you. Gagamitin ko to, man. Fuck you mean, bro. I got you, bro. Let me see the snares, though. Baby face. I'm gonna use more. Yo, mga tunog dito, man. Quality, man. Promise, quality, bro. Quality. Paturo, man. Paturo. Para kay next to. Paturo, man. Ganda gumawa mo ng kits, bro. Benta mo na to, man. Okay, 808s. Yeah, those are hard as 808s, but di bagay sa beat na to. So, I'm gonna use another 808 sa ibang kits. Alright, so yung beat, akala ko tapos na, pero I really feel like I need to add some vocals at top kasi, you know, I just want to. Tas R&B naman yung beat. So why the fuck not, di ba? Kailangan yung vocals kasi yung vocal chops, hindi vocal singing ha. Yung vocal chops, ibig sabihin nun. That's what I'm trying to say, vocal chops. Yeah, I just added some slides cause why the fuck not, eh? Nahanap na ako ng vocals. Ginagamit ko ngayon is Exhale. Binibili nyo to, so don't you worry. Don't you worry kung saan nyo ito makikita for free. Pero mahanap nito siguro sa mga cracks. Just be safe though. Ay, tapos na yung beat. Ito yung tunog niya. Ganda talaga ng kicks, bro. I mean, yung percussion. Tapos, nag-add pala ako, yun, naalala yung sinabi ko, nag-add ako ng vocal chops, and then nag-add pa ako ng isa, na parang pad lang siya sa likod. Galing sa Flex na VST, yung free. Yeah, yan yung tunog niya. Simple lang, pang background lang siya. With the vocals, ito yung tunog niya. Yeah, yan lang. Simple, di ba? Simple. Yeah, and then I think magre-record ako ng kanta ko for next month kasi magre-release nga ako ng one song every month. So, I'm gonna record the song na release ko next month. Makikita yung mga snippets, bro. But yeah, you know what I mean? We've been working hard like shit, bro. Fuck it. Alright. At may dumating na mail. Galing to ng Avocado Clothing. Pag hindi nyo alam yung Avocado Clothing, it's a tawag dito, merch line na promoting Filipino culture based in Chicago, Illinois. Mga kaibigan ko nandun. Shoutout sa Avocado Co. Ooh, nasa Amerika kayo, man, deliver kasi nila, ano lang I think US shipping lang. For now, I think. But I'm gonna ask them pag, gusto nyo mag-order pag nasa Pinas kayo. But yeah, bruh, this shit fire, bruh. Yo, Shout Trail be fucking me up, bro. Stream this shit, bro. Mag 100k na, man. You don't be late, bro. From CDO yan, man. Oh, yeah. Hey, tell everybody, yeah, tell everybody. Tell everybody, yeah, tell everybody. Tell everybody, tell everybody. Tell everybody. Yeah, tell everybody, cause we fucking going up. Cebuano rap, yeah, fucking going up. Sa mga lokal, yeah, fucking going up. Yaw Kabalaka, cause we always going up. Tell everybody, cause we fucking going up. Cebuano rap, yeah, fucking going up. Sa mga lokal, fucking going up. Yaw Kabalaka, cause we always going up. Itaas ang level pero dili ang pride. Mga haters na ko, mga batang pasaway. Sa kong mga beats, mga rapper galaway. Sa kong dakong wave, gusto sila mo sabay. Kararagot dong katilaw yung ka-organize. Setting up a business, 50k is our price. Music so hype, bada set up a heist. Music so fire, gatli, galanay. Music at ako, kay fans na ang gapili. Mga migong peke, nagsugod na pili. Buying mga guwapas, ako na nawili. Hitting my phone up, I'ma be like Cody. I don't need a lapis, I just got a phone. News ko ranido, di ko hilason. Di ko mo padan, kay ikaw ng leg on. Ako mo padayon, kay kamo sa mukon. Hey, everybody, cause we fucking go. Sa mga producers dyan na gusto kong makakolab ako, kagaya ni Pablo Cito _ na kaibigan ko, taga Europa, na taga Pilipinas din. Ito yung sisend niya sa akin ngayon. Send kayo ng loops and samples, okay? Parang ganito. Yeah, there you go. Send kayo ng mga samples na ganito sa email na sample.xajemusic@gmail.com. Pow! Diyan. I'ma probably pick 1 or 2 in a day. So, send lang kayo dyan. Baka mapili ko kayo, tell everybody, cause we fucking going up. Cebuano rap, yeah, fucking going up. Sa mga lokal, fucking going up. Yaw Kabalaka, cause we always going up. Tell everybody, cause we fucking going up. Sa mga lokal, fucking going up. Cebuano rap, yeah, fucking going. No, I messed that shit up. Like, now I'm not gonna do that shit. Yeah, tell everybody, cause we fucking going up. Cebuano rap, yeah, fucking going up. Sa mga lokal, fucking going up. Yaw Kabalaka, cause we always going up. Tell everybody. Alright, and I'ma take, and then, layering, bro. I'ma try layering. Ito yung first time ko mag-layer. First try ko lang. Tell everybody. How do you retake that shit, bro? Like taking your voice to another fucking energy. Yeah. Tell everybody. Yeah. Alright, layering, take 1. Tell everybody, cause we fucking going up. Tell me to rap, yeah. Fuck, take 2. Tell everybody, cause we fucking going up. Cebuano rap, yeah, fucking going up. Sa mga lokal, fucking going up. Yaw Kabalaka, cause we always going up. Yeah. Tell everybody, cause we fucking going up. Yeah, Cebuano rap, fucking going up. Sa mga lokal, fucking going up. Yaw Kabalaka, cause we always going up. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm just gonna loop that shit like 12 ways, you know what I mean? Yeah, papakita ko sa inyo yung magawa ko after I mix this. Alright, so this part of the song is partially mixed na. So ito yung hook. I'm gonna let you guys listen.
Tell everybody cause we fucking going up, yeah. Cebuano rap, fucking going up, sa mga lokal, fucking going up, yaw kabalaka cause we always going up, tell everybody cause we fucking going up, yeah. Cebuano rap, fucking going up, sa mga lokal, fucking going up, yaw kabalaka cause we always going up. Itaas ang level pero dili ang pride, mga haters na ko, mga batang pasaway, mga rapper galaway, mga gusto sila mo sabay, sabadatan, sabi sa titabadadatan, ananana, ligdatan. Let's go. Alasa, kiri, alasa, kiri, alasa, itaas ang level pero dili ang pride, mga hit, nope. So, itaas ang level pero dili ang pride, mga haters na ko, mga batang pasaway, sa akong mga beats, mga rapper galaway, sa akong dakong wave, gusto sila mo sabay, gara ragodong katilaw yung kaog nice, setting up a business, 50k is our price, music so hype, bara set up a heist, music so fire, atuli galanay, musikat pa ko kay fans na ang gapili, mga migong peke nagsugod na og pilit, baying mga gwapa sa ako na nawili, hitting my phone up, I'ma be like who this? I don't need a lapis, I just got a phone. News ko ranido, di ko hilason. Di ko mo palag, ikaw na ang ligon. Ako mo padayon kay kamo sa mukon.
I'm gonna probably retake that because I'm not actually a one take fucking artist, so tinan ko lang if kaya ba talaga to sa pag one take, but if not, I'm gonna retake the whole thing cause you know. Okay, I think it's good enough, pero mamix ko siya muna ng konti, so I'm gonna let you guys see mamaya again, okay?
Yeah. Tell everybody cause we fucking going up, yeah. Cebuano rap, fucking going up, sa mga lokal, fucking going up, yaw kabalaka cause we always going up,
Shout kay Alisa, Alisa Umpar, there you go.
Cebuano rap, fucking going up, sa mga lokal, fucking going up, yaw kabalaka cause we always going up, sa level pero dili ang pride, mga haters na ko, mga batang pasaway, sa akong mga beats, mga rapper galaway, sa akong dakong wave, gusto sila mo sabay, gara ragodong katilaw yung kaog nice, setting up a business, 50k is our price, music so hype, para set up a heist, music so fire, atuli galanay, musika pa ko kay fans na ang gapili, mga migong peke nagsugod na og pilit, baying mga gwapa nagsakop na nawili, hitting my phone up, I'ma be like who this? I don't need a lapis, I just got a phone, news ko ranido, di ko hilason, di ko mangalag, kay ka na ang ligon, ako mo padayon kay kamo sa mukon, tell everybody cause we fucking going up,
Pagtapos ko nag-record ng ng kanta, na na lang ako. I made a beat. Sinend na kasi ni Pablo Cito yung loop. Then, so, ginawa ko is, gumawa ko ng beat. Ginamit ko yung loop ni Pablo Cito, tas yung drum kit ni Nex. So, ito yung tunog. Di pa siya tapos, but yeah, yan lang yun muna kasi I was tired, bro. It was already 10 when I did that shit. But yeah, and then pagkatapos nun, mga 11, I stayed in the bathroom for like an hour hanggang 12. And then sinulat ko yung snippet na to. Hey! Halaga Yeah, Morasa. And then yeah, man, that's the whole video, bro. I hope you fucking enjoy that shit. Second day, tomorrow's the third day. Hopefully I can do this shit every fucking day, bro. Salamat sa suporta, man. Like, bro, I'm fucking really doing this, bro. Sage out, bro. See you guys in the next one, okay? Peace.